this is the walk down to the beach, and as you're walking down you come to the new restaurant stroke bistro. The owners have big plans for it. The owner actually has a rice field and they dry the rice on here. Now obviously if the hotel's full of people there won't be drying rice here. This is only like a temporary thing, so don't panic. So that's the new restaurant. You can see how beautiful it is, and this is where you'll be dining if you come walking down here. We come to Tom and Rena's pride and joy, which is the mahogany trees. They planted all these trees a few years back and they're really proud of this project. As you know, mahogany is well sought after, but they have no plans. They didn't plant the trees to at some point cut them down. They just wanted to make the place better. And this walk down to the beach with these mahogany trees, it's really cool while you're walking in here as well. And it's just a project they're really proud of, and I think it looks great. So wow, look at this. This is the beach. This is what you've got in store for you. And it goes way over there, and then you go to the end of the beach to the left, and when you go to the left there's more beach, and then it's like an inlet, and as you go further to the left you've got a fresh water and a mangrove swamp. I was trying to think what to say there, but it's a mangrove swamp and it's truly beautiful. Tom and Rena's going to provide free kayaks for the guests to use, and there's going to be 5 from memory when I was talking to the owners. And all along this seafront, as you look down here where all the trees are, if we can point the camera there, there's going to be all little cottages all down the seafront that you can sleep in and use when you're going bathing, etc. It's fantastic. I mean, the whole thing, the whole project is going to be absolutely brilliant. I'm looking forward to it because I'm going to be invited back when a lot of these upgrades are finished, and allow all my subscribers to see what we can look forward to on a trip to the Philippines. And the best thing is as well, unlike a lot of these main tourist places, there's not a lot of Westerners here. You know, it's pretty virgin stuff. That's what I like about it. It's fantastic, you know. So come and have a look. Come and have a little sample of paradise, because that's what this is. Wow.
It's a 10-inch circumference for 10 centimeter.
Yeah, it's very, very skinny. In the West, that would be worth a fortune, because the mahogany now is getting really rare, because it's a very dense wood. It's a very sought after wood, isn't it?
Strong.
Yeah, it's brilliant. So we go along this little trail, and I've been told there's ponds at the end, and it's quite beautiful. Now, bearing in mind, obviously this is right next to the beach, it's right next to the hotel, just an extra place to come and visit. There's one of the fishing boats hiding away there. Now, this is fresh water where the mangrove is. And that's what I've been told. I ain't going to taste it. Oh, it's shrimp and crabs as well as fish. Right, apologies, it's windy and I forgot my microphone. The views are to die for and the sunsets are just beautiful. Unfortunately, while I was there was a bit of cloud cover, which there isn't normally, so we couldn't get the perfect sunset, but it was just as beautiful anyway. And that's something that you'll see on a daily basis. You'll see the sunrise, you'll see the sunset. My God, you know, you couldn't be in a better place. I love it. So what can I say about Angelica Paradise Beach Resort? It's absolutely wonderful. The place is so idyllic, it's so quiet. It's like being on a desert island. You know, you're a millionaire, you bought this island, you've got it all to yourself. So if you live in the city and you want a quiet place to go with excitement as well, because you know there's plenty of things you can do once you're there, and not forgetting the beautiful sandy beach, then you know, get yourself off to Angelica. I mean, my time there has been wonderful, and on my return I've decided I'm going to pay a visit to Angelica at least once every 3 months, and then I'll be able to also document all the improvements that the new owners have made to Angelica. So basically just to keep you all informed. So I hope you've liked the videos of Angelica. I've had a lot of good feedback. You can't go wrong if you visit the place. It is really beautiful. And don't forget, mention a Brit in the Philippines and you'll definitely get your 20% discount. Now the room prices very quickly are 3,000 pesos per room, not per person, per room. Now if you want a cottage along the seafront, that will cost you 1,500 pesos, and it's really good value for money, guys. So just to finish, thanks very much for all your support as usual, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. If you want to visit their website, here's all the details. So we're here, and it's located in Soroma, Camarinescio. Whatever. Even when you're on the piece of roads that, or the surface, oh, here we go. Views are just spectacular. Oh. I've literally got to keep pinching myself. Did something pinch you?
Yeah.